Alright, so let's continue. So before jumping on to the next part of the cart panel, where we have the input details as such, like all these, the entire thing. So before we get to that part, there is something which has been bothering me since I recorded the last video, which is this particular thing. So in the design, we have something like this. So this particular part kind of sticks at the bottom regardless the number of items there are in the cart. So let's try to achieve the same thing. I guess I have figured it out. The thing is, I want the entire series to be as transparent as possible. So I haven't tried it yet, like I haven't tried to implement anything just yet. So I'm gonna do it right now. Let's head back to the editor, and now over here we got the stack wrapping the entire thing. I don't believe we are kind of doing it again, but doesn't matter. So over here we got a stack wrapping the entire thing. Then we got the typography for the cart. Then we have a stack. Let's add a comment so that it's easier for us to differentiate. So this stack is the cart items container. Similarly, over here we have the other one, which is, let's just call it bottom part. I'm out of names. So now there are three elements within this stack, and if I set the background color by passing in the BG color prop with a value of red, we can see that this stack is taking the entire space, which is great. So we can make use of stack. What I think is that we can group these two parts. Let me actually remove the color first. So what I think is that we can group these two parts, the typography and the container stack, together, and then we can do like justify content space between. So let's give it a shot. Over here let's add stack wrapping the typography and the cart items container together, and over here we can pass on justify content to be of space between. Let's see. Okay, so that's something which I wasn't expecting, but let's try to figure it out. So over here we are setting the height to be of 60% on the cart items container. Instead of that, let's move it over here to the main container, and let's see. All right, so that's perfect. That's exactly what we want. Beautiful. I guess about 70%, and that's great. And if we have like a single item, that's looking perfect as well. So that's great. All right, so I think that would be it. I'm gonna cut the video right now, and in the next one let's actually start with the other part of the cart panel, which is this particular one. So thanks again for watching, and I kind of forgot to say it in between, but make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and all that jazz. All right, so see you in the next one.